ने स्टोर खोला है उसमें किया है। अब हमारा और है कि नेक्स्ट हम लोग सैनिटरी नैपकिन्स का एक सेंटर खोलने जा रहे हैं, उसका प्रोजेक्ट है, तो उसमें हम किसी को एंटरप्रेन्योर बनाएंगे।
We have also been able to spawn 2 entrepreneurs, and that's the second goal, that we want to not just create sustainable livelihoods within Didis, we want to create more entrepreneurs out of people, out of poor women, who can then employ more women. We just recently started a chakki. We make masalas, but we didn't have places, so we put it in another woman's house, and the idea is that she should do the masala grinding and then sell it to us, and then we will sell it further, and she can take business from wherever she.
Let me talk about one particular girl in point, Kunti Rawat. Kunti was a Prerna girl to start with, and when she graduated, she joined the Didis team.
काफ़ी कुछ सीखा मैंने, काफ़ी मिस्टेक्स की और धीरे धीरे सीखते गए। उसके बाद मैंने अपना ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट किया और यूएस से डिग्री की, स्कॉलरशिप मिले मुझे। वहाँ पे मैंने बिज़नेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का कोर्स किया। फिर इधर एमबीए वापस आके एमबीए कर रही हूँ अभी, और मेरी इंटर्नशिप चल रही है एयरसेल में।
And through that, she's been able to go from working in Didi's Foods as in the packaging unit to now doing the finances of Didi's.
इनकरेज किया दीदीज़ ने मुझे करने के लिए। मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा आत्मनिर्भर बनी, इंडिपेंडेंट, और अपने आप को जानने लगी। आई एम बीइंग मोर कॉन्फिडेंट एंड आई वुड सजेस्ट कि दीदीज़ जैसा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हर जगह हो।
We also have the first professional woman driver in UP, and we are and we've trained a second one. We would like to have more. In fact, we want to then have them run their own rickshaws. So though we started as a foods unit and then going on to clothing, we're not stopping there. We would really like to have rickshaws also for women.
दीदी जब हमारी छोटी सी थी, बड़ी हो गई, तो ये हुआ कि अब खाना कैसे जाएगा, कैसे वो होगा। तो ये हुआ आप गाड़ी निखरा लो, गाड़ी निखरा करके फिर हमको गाड़ी सिखाएगा। फिर ट्रेनिंग हमको 15 दिन की दी गई। फिर हम उसके बाद महीना भर के बाद हम अपने हाथ गाड़ी चलाने लगे।
Over the last 6 years, we've tried to create a universe of care through our endeavor and the family that we've put together, which encourage, equip and empower our women.
And I must say that our CEO Veena, that even though she's just a teacher, which just tells you she has done marvelously. She's one of the 10 Goldman Sachs 10,000 women, and very recently they chose 2 social entrepreneurs from the country to go for further training to the US, and she's one of them. So it just shows you that if women want to do something, there is no limit to where they can go, and sky's the limit. So I think if Didis can succeed in all these ways, it's a very important contribution to make to women in Lucknow, and I'm hoping all India and then eventually internationally.